HYLN Stock Analysis and HYLN Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Hyliion Holdings, it's already kind of, 5.5% corrected down. Ultimately, like how this looks like for me is that I'm open-minded for the sell side. It's not like that I'm immediately going to sell, which is a lot of people, but what a lot of people think. Look, I've done 40,000 videos, and over that time period, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I have it all documented on my YouTube channel, like no sweat about that. Even in my Discord, I do have previous receipts, with all that to say is that the likelihood that this thing keeps melting down is high, and for me, it's going to be even higher for sell side as long as the rules are met. But what I'm not going to do is randomly sell. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. But yeah, I'll still be patient, still not going to just assume stuff. Goodbye and enjoy.